Hi everybody, this is Agnes from Sediment, and today we're going to talk about Amarone della Valpolicella. Before we dive into Amarone wines, it is important to note that it is made within the boundaries of Valpolicella. It is located in Veneto, one of the 20 winemaking regions of Italy. Because the principal grape varieties used for Amarone are rarely seen outside of Veneto and they do rarely appear on the wine labels, they might seem unknown or unheard of. They are Corvina, Corvinone, Rondinella and Molinara. Small additions of Osselletta are also allowed. And while Amarone is essentially a blend of several grape varieties, it is dominated by Corvina and Corvinone. Regular style Valpolicella is made from the very same grape varieties and it is sourced from the very same vineyards. So what is so unique about Amarone wines that makes them so different in style, structure and body, and allows them to dictate price range up to 5 times more than for regular Valpolicella? Grapes destined for Amarone are hand-harvested and these whole clusters are left in well-ventilated rooms to dry. This process is called Appassimento. The law requires grapes to be dried at least until the 1st of December. Some producers will prolong this process and it can last as long as 120 days, during which grapes will lose 30 to 40% of their weight due to the water evaporation. Because the water evaporates, it allows sugars to concentrate. Therefore, when finally grapes are crushed and pressed, the juice is very rich and dense. It ends up in wine that has elevated alcohol levels. It is not uncommon for Amarone to have 15% or higher of alcohol. For those who consider that Amarone also shows some sweetness on the palate are absolutely right, as these wines can have residual sugar up to 16 grams per liter and it depends on the alcohol level. But even if the palate is dry with 5 grams of residual sugar or less, it can still taste rich, lush and almost sweet. It is because of high alcohol, high concentration and high levels of glycerol that all contribute towards the wine tasting sweet. Some wine critics and writers refer to Amarone as wine that is defined by winemaking process rather than its terroir or even grape varieties. And because Amarone is made from partially dried grapes, this is going to be rich and powerful wine with firm tannins, full body, elevated alcohol levels and slightly oxidative character. Amarone wines must be aged in wooden barrels for at least 12 months. However, the size and the type of the vessel can vary amongst the producers. When it comes to food and wine pairings, it can be difficult. Amarone della Valpolicella has long been believed to be wine for meditation that you slowly sip in cold winter evenings, sitting by a fireplace enjoying good conversations. It seems that this wine is self-sufficient. For those who are looking for food and wine pairings for Amarone, make sure that you do not choose food that is too spicy or hot. The high alcohol will only accentuate the burning sensation caused by chilies or peppers. If I were to choose something, I would go for slowly cooked hearty stews made from game or beef, while for lighter Amarone styles, I would look for rustic pasta dishes with wild boar ragu. If you like these rich and powerful wine styles, make sure to watch my other video on Primitivo or Zinfandel.